Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.0L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 included, lower active grille shutters, 800 amp maintenance-free battery, eco diesel badge, heavy-duty engine cooling, 3.8 additional gallons of diesel, 250 amp alternator, gross vehicle weight 7,200 pounds, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, thermal rear axle, bright white clear coat, wheels 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum chrome clad, WRK, diesel gray black cloth bench seat, gross vehicle weight 7,200 pounds, remote start system, quick order package, 28Z Bighorn included, engine, 3.0L V6 turbo diesel Gen 3 transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower, 75 DFV, Bighorn badge, transmission, 8-speed